Most expensivest stir in the pot. I'm your host, 2 Chainz. Let's get into it. No.
We're here to tell you about decarboxylation first. There's a way to get every single little bit of that available THC. What we have here is a device. There's 2 sensors in there, and there's like a thermal heating core, and then there's an algorithm. Exactly the right temperature for exactly the right amount of time. So all you have to do is take the raw flower, place it in here, and this has no smell.
For real?
Mm-hmm. When you come back in an hour and a half later, the whole plant has been activated. But you can take this keef and mix it, put it right in the avocado.
In the food like
That's
that?
right. Mm-hmm.
Miss Edible a Day, you want to try this over in the corner?
Yes, please. Miss Edible a Day eats the keef straight.
She eat it straight?
Mm-hmm.
Damn, girl.
So right here we have the non-decarb, and then we have the decarb. All you gotta do is break it up a little bit and put it right into the oil, and just put it through one more cycle. And when it comes out, it's gonna look like this. So I already activated this one. And now we're gonna strain that out, and now you have this, and you can make any cannabis product that you want.
Like what?
Like s'mores kits. We're gonna make the infused filling after this. And we actually made a donkey's milk caramel chocolate spread.
You done tried this before?
Mm-hmm. It's delicious.
I don't trust no girls.
I'm a woman, so you don't have to worry about that.
Ooh. What you just laughing at back there?
And we're gonna put these marshmallows on top. Cheers to 2 Chainz and Ardent.